safety thing on there. Where's that? Funny. I need to look in the
Look in the what?
glove. I'm such a wanker.
Get on with it. What, you have to look at instructions?
No, it's got a safety cap on the safety key cap thing that allows you to take off the bloody wheel. I'm really having a good time. Everyone, this is what happens when you're impatient. You jump the curb because you're a dick. This is a little exercise in how to change your tyre when you are a complete wally in the morning.
Patience is a virtue.
Which I'm not obviously virtuous. I think we might have been down the hill by now.
I think so. We just waited, you see? Come on, put a bit of elbow grease in.
Bloody stupid. I hate these jacks. They could take this jack and shove it up where you need jacks. Of course, because it's a SUV, it's got to get like 9 feet off the ground before it even gets the wheel free. What?
Well, you don't need to go to the. You won't need to go to the gym now.
The wife can comment that. It's good, isn't it? It's fun. It's how families bond. The only trouble with this is that you've got to pack all this shit back in the car, and you never ever really do, because it's such a pain in the ass. Well, you had a nail in your tyre anyway, so I needed to break it.
Well, that probably happened when you were gathering the rubble from the side of the road next to the curb.
At that point.
Yeah, you did a nice job, look.
The curb jumped out at me.
Good.
Anything else you want to add? Anything else cool? Clever? I've got a lovely 6-ton jack at home. The car would be up in like 2 seconds. But you see, actually what it is that it's lucky. Me hitting the curb actually prevented a potentially catastrophic accident later by that whole nail blowing the tyre, steering you into the path of oncoming traffic. So in fact, karma's on our side. Go a long way on that, my friends. He deserves an award today. And he couldn't have done it better.
What, for most stupid, retarded mistake?
It's funny, you never use that camera until something like this happens. I'm glad about that. Glad you remembered it.
I would just like to see the comments had it been me that had done this.
I would have killed you. I would have reminded you that that is a very stupid thing to have done. I would have told you that you're doing a good job there. I would have told you that you should have more patience, and a man would never have done. Why is the wheel turning? Can you put it in gear? Why? Can you go and put the foot brake on?
Wait till the traffic backs up again.
This really is like trying to change a wheel with a fucking coat hanger.
What's the swearing going on?
It's not swearing, fricking. I want to be a billionaire. So freaking bad. That's. See, they use it in that song.
So is that wheel on nice and tight now, Justin?
Yes. very nice and tight.
Justin's got a nice little audience. Coldwater Canyon, Beverly Hills.
Always put it back nicely, that's the message. The lesson is, always pack away your stuff very well.
Shouldn't you sort of tread on that with your foot to make sure it's really in?
Why don't you get down there and I'll tread on you with my foot?
Nothing to do with me.
Done. Bit
Well
like
done.
quite a superior pit stop there.
Will we still win the race?